How to transfer patterns via Wi-Fi to FKS1001 embroidery machine. Click here to connect to Wi-Fi. Click Wi-Fi setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Select your network. Please make sure the machine and your computer are connected to the same network. Enter the password. Click Confirm. We can see that the Wi-Fi has been connected successfully. Here you can view or modify the machine name. Open the software zip file. Click into the folder and launch the FKS1001 transfer software. Click Settings, then change the language to English. Click Search icon, and you will see your machine. Click the first icon. Click the pattern and your machine. Click Download. Tips: if there is no direct display of the patterns here, click to find the location of the folder where you saved the patterns. Click the folder and confirm. Now you can see your pattern. Click the file icon. You can see the pattern has been successfully transferred.